Everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I am doing my food prep. So if you watched the last grocery haul, it was a month's worth of food, mostly meat. So today we are going to be splitting that up. Aaron is in the background behind me, so if you hear anything, that is him. Also, when we got back from Tennessee, I had washed all the laundry from before we left, so I have all of that to fold, and all the laundry that we brought back with us had to be washed and folded as well. So you're going to see a lot of laundry motivation. I hope you're excited for this video. I forgot to read a comment in the last video, so I will remember to do that in this video. If you're new here, leave a comment down below so I can read your comment in the next video. And get excited. Who's ready for some food prep motivation? Hopefully this does motivate y'all and encourages you to get something done in your house today. Trust me, most of my house looks like a mess right now, so I need all the motivation too. All right, let's get to it.
So deep, got a feeling like I'm dauntless whenever you're next to me. Cause I've climbed higher than I could dream of. Now using wires, I know I'm falling free. You set me off into emotion where I can just be me. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You have unchained me. When all my troubles seem to haunt me, you uncover the truth. Cause nothing really matters when you see it from a distance.
Also, there is a kayak in the background. It's still there. It will be moved eventually. And there's a bunch of thrifted clothes. right over there. Y'all will see on Monday. So, real life, real house.
'Cause I'm up higher than planes could take me. I have acquired everything I need. You set me off into emotion. Oh yeah, where I can just be free. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle.
Alright y'all, so I'm taking a pause real quick because I'm about to open these, but I wanted to show y'all. So I'm just writing what the item is and then also the date I'm putting them in the bag. That way, in case I don't use one of these now, I'll know I need to use these sooner than when I go back to the grocery store for more stuff. And I think what I'm going to do, because I don't have gloves, I'm just going to go ahead and write down on all of these what's going in them. That way I don't have to get up and wash my hands just to use this every single time I switch to a different package.
Nay, nay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Rap, rap. Yo no sé si es que te quiero más. Cada vez más rápido se nos da, yeah, más fácil. Debe ser que tú tienes algo que encontrarnos tan fácil. Pero eso es que quiero más, más. Yo soy tu VIP, tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti. Qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi, yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte, tu amor me compromete. Soy tuya pa' que respeten. Yeah, yeah, vale más que mis billetes y que mi voz lo interprete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. VIP pa' ti, baby, ¿quién lo diría? Todo lo que yo hago por ti, orgulloso diciendo tú eres mía. Tú lo sabes, baby, baby, yeah. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo, besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más. Eso te tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti. Qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi, yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte. A mí me encanta presumir tu baby con todas mis amigas. VIP, a mí no me importa lo que digan. No hay que decidir, cuando vi esos ojos era para ti. Ponte más cerquita, que ya no te muerdo. Seamos los locos en este mundo de cuerdos. Soy tu favorita, estamos de acuerdo. Tú tienes derecha mientras que yo soy de izquierdo. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo, besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más. Eso tu VIP, tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti. Qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi, yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte. Nay, nay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so out of those not frozen, out of the big packs of meat, I was able to get 2 things of chicken strips. These will be for fajitas. I got 3 packs of boneless chicken thighs, some pork chops. I got 3 packs of these. I just put 2 in each pack. And then drums. There's a lot of bone on here, so there is 4 drums in a package. So there's 2 packages there. Then I got 2 packages of ground beef there. This is my list of stuff I got. I've got 3 packs of bacon, 2 packs of Smokies, 4 packs of sausage, meatballs, chicken nuggets, 3 total ground beef, 4 pork loins, 3 pork chops, 3 chicken thighs, 2 chicken strips, and 2 chicken drums. For a total, we have, if we really wanted to stretch it, we have 28 days worth of dinners that we can fix that include meat. So here's the other stuff I pulled out of the freezer. I've got 3 packs of bacon. There's the pork loins, the other pack of hamburger meat, the Smokies, and 4 packs of this sausage, some meatballs, and a pack of chicken nuggets. So I have a good amount of stuff that's like all the packaged meat is like, okay, these are nights that I'm going to be cooking, and then these are nights that, you know, I just don't feel like cooking, including these. Like, I love these things. You'll see these in every grocery haul just about, because I like putting them in the crock pot with potatoes and green beans, and then you can just leave it all day. So I am pretty excited that we managed to get 28 days out of this. Not to mention, if there are days that we decide to go out to eat, then we still have something for another day. But I'm really hoping, if Aaron doesn't mind, I really want to try for us to just eat at home, because that is going to save us $27 a week. $27 a week. I think, if I did my math correctly, I did it in my head, so don't get me, but I'm pretty sure that is close to $800 a year just by not going out to eat once a week, which is a huge savings. So I am very excited. I hope this video was motivating for y'all. I'm gonna grab my phone so I can read one of the comments from the previous videos. Y'all are so nice to leave all your comments that you do, and I do apologize for not reading a comment in the last video, but I realized I didn't do that, and I was like, ugh. It took some of the spirit away from these videos. Like, I love reading y'all's comments, so I'm gonna go grab my phone and we're gonna pick out a few comments. Alright, so the last video I did was the grocery haul, and y'all will see that at the end of this video if you want to watch it. But Michelle said, Happy New Year. Yes, I think with specific meal planning and not overeating, this will last you both. Misty said, nice haul, love your channel, and I really enjoy seeing your husband and dog in the videos as well, so I will try to get them in more of the videos. And then Nana Tink said, yes, for sure, stretch it out and you should be good for a month. Good deals too. Karen said, it looks like plenty meal plan, and you can add always add salad with a meal. Yes, I did get 2 packages of spinach, so next month I may get more, but I have a question. So if I freeze, I know I can Google this, but I like talking to y'all. So if I freeze spinach, when I de-thaw it, will it just be like it was when it was fresh, or is it going to be like you have to cook it if you freeze it? Because I would love to have fresh salads throughout the month instead of just the first 2 weeks. That's why I got spinach too, because it lasts the longest in my opinion. But I don't mind if I have to go back to the store to buy like fresh produce. And then Bear S, oh wait, Amy said, I have missed the thrifting. So if y'all are new and you don't know, before I did cleaning and lifestyle videos, I did nothing but thrift hauls and what sold videos for Poshmark, because I sell clothes on Poshmark. And I stopped doing those and I deleted all those videos to start fresh. But I really miss doing the thrift hauls. I don't mind not doing the what solds and all that stuff. So Monday there will be a thrift haul. I won't share cost of goods or anything like that, so it is going to be like a normal thrift haul, and the only difference between a normal one and mine will be the items I purchased are not for me to keep, they're for me to sell. And the reason I'm doing that is because, let me look over here. Y'all know I and Aaron want to move eventually. When I say eventually, it's probably going to take 2 years. It's going to take as long as it has to, because we're not in a rush, but I do want us to be able to pay cash for the trailer that we move into. I don't mind us paying for the land each month, but I would prefer that we could at least have the trailer paid for, so no matter what happens, we have a home, and if we have to move it somewhere, we can move it. So I'd rather pay for the house than pay off the land first. Okay, so that is why I'm getting back into reselling, and those videos will be pretty far in between. It is going to be a lot of cleaning, cooking, grocery hauls videos, because those are the videos that I like to do. And then I will have thrift hauls probably 1 to 2 times a month for those of you that like to see what I pick up at the thrift store. Okay, so Bear S said, I know you guys are saving for your new home, but I would love to see you do a room makeover. You know, we all like good transformation videos, so I like watching them. I do not like doing them. I have, oh my goodness, Messy Mama, and then Fearfully Created, and then there's Carrie Lynn also that does all types of, like, most of our channel is just redoing tables and her house and all this stuff. I do not enjoy doing that. I did my table and I was like, why did I do this? Because I'm still not done with it, y'all. But there will be a day. I don't want to do it until after we move out of here. That way I don't have to move any furniture into another room and then wait for paint to dry and then put it back in the room. I would rather us already be moved out and then go through and fix up this house. It'd probably be better for camera also, because we'll be able to get a wider view of the room if there's not anything in it. So you will see those, but you're probably going to have to wait for a long time. But Carrie Lynn does a ton of those often, so I would go check her out if you haven't already, if you want to see more frequent home renovation stuff. Okay, and then the last one I'm going to read is Miria. I probably said your name wrong, but she said, keto is amazing. So many of my friends have tried it and loved it. Whole Foods are the best. Love that you got chicken thighs, sorry. So much flavor and way cheaper than breast. Happy New Year. I agree. I don't normally get the ones with a bone in, but I grew up on those, I think, because they are cheaper. So I plan on getting them again. And then, okay, last one. Lynn said those carb balanced tortillas are great. They are the only kind I eat. So I appreciate y'all so much for leaving comments. And I do feel like reading the comments at the end of the videos just ties everything together. I love that y'all are able to be a part of the video and it's not just me filming. You are included. So I hope you'll have a great day and you got some encouragement out of this video, or it just helped the time go by a little bit faster. So I will see y'all back here on Monday for that thrift haul. So if you are not subscribed, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I do upload that thrift haul. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.